Hey everyone, Tyler Treat here with Primetime Manufacturing. Today I'm super excited because I get to show you around the 2022 Sanibel 3802WB. Let's go check it out. First thing I want to show you in this 3802WB is your front living space. You really have your own living room in here. With your opposing 30-inch slides, it really opens space up on top of the wide body, which is 100 inches from interior wall to interior wall. You come over here, you'll see your slide. You have your nice sliding solid wood fascia, but this is what I really wanted to show you is the easy glide furniture. To pull it out, it's as simple as that. It's almost as easy as chewing gum and walking. To put it back up, lift it up, let it click, and you're right back in. Easy cleanup, easy for the kids, and a lot of extra sleeping space. As you move forward to the entertainment area, you have a lot of cabinet space, all solid wood. So when you open these up, you do have a lot of storage space, and you have it on the other side as well. Then you open up your bottom one, super deep. You can put anything you need for your entertainment necessities, DVD player, movies, or anything in that nature. And in between your storage, you'll have your 50-inch LED TV on your televator. It's gonna pick up all your channels with that WineGuard 2.0 Connect. And say it's a rainy day while you're camping, you can put your roller blackout shades down and pretty much turn this into your own personal theater room. But if it's a nice sunny day, you have your Furrion soundbar here with 2 zones. Turn on some music, do your little dancey dance, because when you're camping in Sanibel, it's a great life. When it's time to wind down, you have your 5100 BTU electric fireplace with 3 different ambient lightings. So you kick that on, warm up, and just hang out in your dual recliners here in the back. You have your LED cup holders, USB ports. You also have an outlet right behind those, so if you do need to plug anything else in, you'll be able to right behind those recliners. Right here you have your WineGuard 2.0 Connect, which is also Wi-Fi prepped. But this is your TV antenna, which is got 360 degrees, 50-mile radius. That's gonna pick up all your channels in this area. Your games, game shows, anything you'd really like to watch, you'll be able to watch with this WineGuard 2.0 Connect. The last thing I want to mention in this front living space is the venting you'll see. You'll have your air intake and your circular air drop downs, which go throughout the entire coach, which is connected to your dual whisper quiet cool AC units. You have a 15K in the entertainment area and a 13.5K in the bedroom. So the ductwork for these dual whisper quiet cool AC units is actually racetrack ducted, meaning it's going to be circulating throughout the entire coach. So in the entertainment area, in your kitchen area, and your bedroom area. Moving into the kitchen area of this 3802WB, you'll notice this massive peninsula that offers a ton of countertop space. You also have your 1 basin sink here with your dual sink covers that are rollable, and you can lift them, move them around, put wet dishes on there, let them dry. You'll also have your upgraded pull-down faucet here. As you move over here, you'll notice you have a lot more countertop space here beneath these pantries, which are solid wood. A lot of storage space in here. Put your non-perishables, your cereal, anything like that. Then beneath here, you'll also have another pantry. Like I said, again, cereal, non-perishables, anything you need to have in your kitchen, you can add in here. As we move over here to the actual appliances of the Sanibel, you'll notice it is fully residential. So you have a 24-inch 4-top Insignia burner. It's really just like in your house. So underneath your 4-top burner, you'll have a massive 3.73 cubic foot oven, which you could actually fit a turkey in there. So you can have Thanksgiving dinner at the campground. Above your range, you'll have a 30-inch residential microwave. And right by that, you'll have another pantry with ample room for food, cups, silverware, plates, anything like that. Then you move on over to this 15 cube fully residential reefer, which does have a 1,000-watt inverter, and it's a dual freezers. Across from your kitchen area, you'll come to your slide out. And with it being a wide body, you'll have a deeper slide depth, and in the slide out, you have 4 massive windows, which adds a lot of natural lighting, and you'll be able to see what's going on at your campsite. Inside the slide, you'll have a legless dinette, which is unobstructed underneath, so you have a lot of space to move around. You're not gonna be knee knocking in anything, which is very nice when you are eating with a group of people or playing cards. And across from your dinette area, I wanna point out this nice half bath you have in here. You have your porcelain lav, your porcelain sink. You also have a lot of space underneath your sink here for your bathroom essentials. Then you also have your medicine cabinet as well. As you move back to the bedroom, you'll notice this massive king-size bed on a 30-inch bed slide. And above your bed, you'll have your storage above, so blankets, clothing, anything like that. Then on either side of the bed, you'll have your outlets. With your 2 bedside tables, you'll be able to put your phone, charge your phone there, cup of water, or anything you need while sleeping. And across from your bed, you have all your storage needs met here. You have your 2 overhead cabinets, which does allow you to hang up clothes. And underneath that, you'll have 6 massive drawers to put anything you need in here. And above your drawers here in the center cabinet, you'll have a lot of countertop space. So you put your family pictures, your flowers, or you can opt to put a TV here because you do have your TV connection and outlet, so you can lay in bed, watch your TV or shows. As you move back to the master bathroom, the first thing you'll notice is actually how massive this bathroom really is. You have your dual vanities here with storage above and storage below, which is gonna give you a lot of storage space. Then next to the porcelain lab, you'll have even more storage. Then across from here, you'll have a huge closet that's also washer dryer stackable prep. So if you are looking to put a washer dryer in here, it has all those capabilities in it. So then you come back to the shower, which is a king size shower due to the fact that the Sanibel is a wide body. So it's gonna be a little bit wider and a little bit taller as well. You get a bench in there with your soap shelf, so you are getting a lot of space in the shower area. Before we head outside, there's one last thing I want to touch base on. Right across from your entry door is your Lippert One Touch control panel. This can control your leveling, your slide outs, your awnings, and your lights right from this panel. But something cool about this is that it's a Bluetooth app as well. So you can download the app and run your leveling, your slide outs, your awnings, and your lights right from an app on your phone. Moving to the exterior of the coach, the first thing I want to talk about is this front cap right here, which is automotive grade paint, and it also has a front cap window. Then you'll see the blue LED lighting that really makes this front cap pop when you're driving down the road or if you're at the campsite. Underneath here, you'll have your front end storage. And right next to your front end storage, you'll have your 6-point leveling controls, which is memory hitch and auto level. You can control that from right there, your Bluetooth app, or that control panel and the coach. Moving down the coach, you'll have your 2 30-pound LP tanks right here. So you have one on the campsite and one on the non-campsite. Right next to this, you have your doggy D-ring, which you can tie your dogs out so they're not gonna be running around your campsite, and they'll be able to get shade from the slide out or even this awning right here. Moving down from this doggy D-ring, you'll come to your massive unobstructed pass-through storage that is heated. And in this pass-through storage, you'll have your outlets, your TV hookups, USB ports. And something I find really cool about this pass-through storage is right here. This is rotocast material, which is mold, rust, and mildew resistant with 2 holes drilled on either side. So if you're not wanting to drag your cooler in and out, you can put ice right in there, put your drinks right there, it's gonna drain itself and you won't have to worry about any rust or mold building up right there. Then you'll also notice this little monitor right here, which is your tire pressure monitoring system. You'll have a little 3.5-inch screen for your truck cab that's gonna tell you pressure and temperature of all your tires as you're moving down the road. Next to this pass-through storage, you'll have 2 more outlets here for anything that you need to plug in. Then you'll come to the Lippert Solid Step here, which has a 13-inch top step, so it's gonna give you that stability when you're walking in or out of your coach with a big 30-inch entry passageway. So the next thing I want to talk about is our turn-to-bond construction that we use on Sanibel. It's really like a 5-layer wall. So you have your lamination with your Luan, your 2-inch black foam with your 2-inch loom cage frame, then another piece of Luan and your wall paneling. And this is meaning that your slide-out walls are laminated as well, so you're going to get 2-inch black foam in your slide-out walls and your rear wall. So it's going to increase that insulation and increase the stability and longevity of the coach. Next, we have our Dexter axles here, which are made in America, which I love. You also have your Easy Glide suspension, which is gonna disperse and alleviate some of those bumps that you do hit, so it's gonna make it a much smoother ride. Moving to the rear of the coach, like I mentioned before, you do have that laminated rear wall with that 2-inch black foam here. Then you look up top, you'll see that it is rear view camera prepped. We also put a spare tire on here that's easily accessible. Very unlikely that you'll use it since we do put the tire pressure monitoring system standard on all of our Sanibels. So as you move down on your non-campsite to the front of the coach, you'll notice here you have your 50 amp service, your 6-gallon, 18-gallon quick recovery water heater, which is rapidly heating up water so you are capable of doing dishes, taking showers. Then right next to your water heater, you have your furnace, which is gonna heat the entire coach. It is also forced air to your tanks and lines, which is gonna help prevent from your lines or tanks freezing up in cooler weather. Then right next to that furnace, you'll have the other access point to your passenger storage, but you also have your universal docking station, which is your city water hookup, your black tank flush, your battery disconnect is also in here, which is gonna allow you to have all your lines and wires not running through your entire campsite, but all in one area here. Thank you all for taking the time today to check out the 3802WB with me. If you have any further questions, please visit primetimerv.com, and happy camping.